So here we have 렸dan chamida, which means you're about to do something, okay? So this can be a little bit confusing and niche, but it's a very good piece of grammar. Like if you can actually incorporate this into your everyday speech of Korean, people will be really impressed. So basically, it's very hard though. A lot of these grammar points, they're very hard to incorporate into your everyday Korean. But the more familiar you get with them, the more you understand them at a deep level, the more it'll start to come out naturally. So let's try to explain this. So I am about to go to sleep, right? 내가 피곤해서 차렸던 잠이에요. So you remember this I actually looked this up because it's a little bit confusing. I looked it up in two grammar books. In the present tense, you add ye to the end of chamida, and it becomes yeyo, cham이에요. So basically, I bet sometime in Korean, you're talking to somebody or thinking about how to say something in Korean, you're like, oh, I was just about to go to the store, right? Or I was just about to eat, right? 먹으려던 참이다, 가려던 참이다. I was just about to eat, I was just about to go to the store. And you're like, how do I say that in Korean? And you come up with some weird way that you just thought of in your mind. That isn't exactly how or what people use. So this is the case, right? So I was tired, so I was about to go to sleep, right? So that is the present tense. And this is past tense, right? So if you're talking about something you were about to do in the past, so like, oh, why didn't you come to my house yesterday? Or, I was about to come to your house, um, but blah, 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 right? So I was about to, and you can also add other grammar points to it, right? To make it into a different clause. So in this case, you can say, I was about to go to the restaurant. So 제가 식당 가려던 참이다. 참이었어요. So when it comes to something in the past that you were about to do, it is 참이었어요. So that's the difference, right? So if your friend says, "Why did you not come?" You say, "I was about to go to the restaurant." 하지만 식당 제가 식당 가려던 참이었어요. 하지만 or 그러나 something like that, right? However, or blah, and then the next reason can come after that. So that's 참이다.